Hey, welcome back to SLG TV. This is the place to be for online coaches who are building, marketing, monetizing, and scaling their coaching businesses. In today's video, you're going to learn how to get clients in your online coaching business by using the power of YouTube marketing. Specifically, we're going to be talking about content marketing, content funnels, and how to develop a YouTube strategy that drives traffic to your offers. So let's go ahead and get started. YouTube is a go-to site for millions of people searching for information and finding solutions to their problems online. It's hands down one of the best ways to organically attract new clients, position yourself as an authority online, and also to grow your online coaching business. As a matter of fact, it's the second greatest traffic source to my website and my offers, next to Pinterest. Now, I get that it could seem a little impossible and overwhelming to have YouTube organically recommend your content at first. However, as your YouTube channel becomes more of a resource library filled with all of your SEO-rich teachings and trainings, you'll start to be seen as an authority by the search engine, and it will become one of your greatest allies. Now, as a coach, I use YouTube marketing to drive traffic to my offers and also to my affiliate links with content marketing. Content marketing is teaching on topics that will support your ideal client in getting small wins, which helps to build trust and relationships, and it inspires them to want to go further with you by purchasing your offers. This is how you influence a targeted audience and you create greater impact. Now, in saying that, let's dig deeper into learning how to make money on YouTube with content marketing as an online coach. YouTube marketing strategy step number 1, target a packaged offer. Now, all my YouTube videos reflect content from packaged offers. A packaged offer refers to content that is uploaded into a content delivery system, so something like Kajabi or Kartra or Teachable, and it has a checkout page and a sales page. Now, whether it's a one-on-one coaching experience, a group coaching program, online course, tiny offer, or even just like a simple template, my offers are strategically developed as an opportunity for my audience to create solutions to a challenge they're having. Now, every offer I have is typically repurposed from one signature program. It's important to know that a signature program can be packaged in over 30 different ways. So if you haven't created and packaged a signature program yet, go ahead and click on this video and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So let's talk about your business. What's the first offer that you want your audience to know about? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below so that I could learn a little bit more about you and your business. Now, the whole purpose of this YouTube marketing strategy is for you to start teaching about topics that relate to your offer and start to position yourself as your audience's coach on these specific topics. So by the time they're ready to take action, they're going to know who to turn to. YouTube marketing strategy step number 2, repurpose content into YouTube videos. So now that you know which offer you're focusing on, you can work backwards and begin to develop YouTube topics and full YouTube playlists that relate to your offer and follow SEO best practices. So let me go ahead and show you an example of what this looks like. To my YouTube channel, I'm going to be walking you through how I repurpose my offers into YouTube content as well as playlists. So as I'm scrolling down here on the homepage of my channel, you can see that I have a few different playlists here. One is about signature programs, one is about sales pages, another is about how to start a coaching business, and then we have another here that is all about online courses. And there's a few others as well, but I wanted to really focus on these top 4 because each of these 4 playlists directly lead to an offer. Now, the first thing to recognize here is that each of the titles of my playlists are SEO friendly, which means that these are very specific keywords that I know that my ideal clients are searching for, especially when it comes to these different types of videos that are within this playlist. So once you have your offer, you're going to want to create a playlist that has those specific keywords for your offer in the playlist title so that you're starting to get recognized as an authority by the algorithms and also by your ideal audience. And then once you do that, then we're going to start creating different pieces of content that go within that playlist. So you can see here that I have quite a bit of videos here that are talking about the same thing. Now, it's also important to realize that every single video that I have in this playlist is going to be directly relating to my offer, which is signature program that sells. So whether in these videos I have them being directed to a freebie that I created, which is a free signature program template, or to the sales page itself, doesn't necessarily matter because either way it's driving traffic to my website and also to my offers. Same thing with sales page success, how to create a sales page that converts, landing pages. So this leads to an offer that I have called Sales Page Slay Method. So each of these different videos, I'm talking about sales pages in different ways, and each of these are leading to either a template that I created that's free or a sales page. So this is just one of the ways that you can basically take your offer and then talk about your offer in different ways in order to be able to drive traffic to that offer on your website. Now, the great thing about repurposing content from your signature program is that it can be used in so many different ways. It could be put into a graphic and shared on social media platforms. It could be embedded into your emails. It could be repurposed into blogs or podcasts. So that's a lot of value from videos that you create just one time. Publishing content on multiple platforms will give you credibility, and it also raises your profile online. YouTube marketing strategy step number 3, intentionally share an offer as a resource. Now, this is the part that really matters. Throughout your content, you'll intentionally share 1 to 2 calls to action that will lead directly to your offer, as well as other opportunities to learn more if they're not quite ready to take action yet. Now, a call to action is a short piece of content that directs your audience to a specific next step. I typically have a teaser call to action in the beginning of my videos to be sure that they watch until the end. So this typically sounds something like, and don't forget to stick around until the end because I'll be sharing my favorite XYZ resource that will help you to achieve the end result that you want, whatever that end result is, faster than you ever thought possible. After that, I'll share my content and all of my tips, and then at the end of the video, I'll share again and go a little bit more in depth. So saying something like, as promised, I wanted to share a resource called X, Y, and Z offer. This is going to walk you through not only important topic 1, but also important topic 2 so that you can get XYZ result in blank amount of time. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to learn more and get that now. Now, as you're considering your calls to action, it's important to be sure that whatever you choose creates a lead or a sale. So your next step can be click the link in the description below to fill out an application to XYZ coaching program, or download a freebie, or learn more and sign up here, or purchase XYZ offer for only $37. The important thing here is to have a clear call to action that positions you and your offer as the next step to something your audience already knows that they want and they already know that they need. And a call to action pro tip is to include an image, like I did in this video, showing your audience what they can look forward to. YouTube marketing strategy step number 4, authentic email campaign. So now that you've gotten all these new people into your sales funnel by either filling out an application to work with you, or getting on a discovery call, or downloading your freebie, you get to come up with an authentic email campaign that will nurture your potential client and add more value, and also send them to an offer that will support them in getting some serious results. This is what's called a welcome email sequence, and if you're not sure what to put in yours, go ahead and click on this video and I'll walk you through it. So basically, you're going to send a series of emails that supports them in knowing you, your story, and the results that you've been able to create, as well as relevant free resources to help them get results faster. And then finally, you're going to introduce them to an offer. So overall, your YouTube channel is going to be a key element in the know, like, trust cycle of building your online coaching business, which will ultimately lead to more clients and more money in your pocket. Now, these are the 4 steps that I use to make money on YouTube with content marketing and to make a difference in the world. So if I can do it, then you can do it too. Also, if you want to join a free community of online coaches who are all attracting clients with their content just like you, I've created a Facebook group to help support your journey and to connect you with like-minded people. So go ahead and click that link in the description below to join that now. And lastly, if this video was just what you needed in your coaching business, please let me know by liking it below, subscribing, and sharing it with your coach friends. Until next time, coach, keep building your empire.